It's very orange and I want it to be blacked out. Okay guys, now you can see all the paint is protected from the knife. Let's take out the wrapping paper. See the brand on here, Vvived Ultimate. Okay, so I've cut it out like this. It goes on the reflector, it should be big enough. So let's try apply it. Okay, let's apply some heat. I don't have a heat gun, so I'm just going to use my hair blower. Okay, so because of the heat it has shrunk to the size of the reflector. Now I'm going to take off the protecting coat and cut it around the reflector and see the result. Result, all looking black, very good. Let's remove the masking tape. And this is the end result, looking way better. Okay guys, thanks for watching.